measure and write the degree measure for each of the following. Okay, these are the questions. So we'll start off with A. Good practice. It would be a good practice for us to go through each of this. Okay, let's start off. First thing first, in my case, I need to align my 0 degree with the first arm. And then align the vertex. Again, my answers will not be exact. So please see to that, you guys add plus or minus 1 depending on the scenario. It looks to be a bit lower, a bit upper. Yeah, looks to be around 79. Okay, looks to be 79. Okay, so let us see step by step what did I do. So ideally, this is what you guys should be doing. Look for the overlapping vertex with the center of the protractor and arm and 0 degree, they are overlapping, yes. And then the final arm has to be measured, checked with the protractor what line it is passing or what value it is passing. So the initial arm is the 0 is with the inner circle, right? The initial arm is taking up the 0 degree with the inner circle. So I have to look at those values and it's just before 80. So this is 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. This is 79 degree. Okay, so A is 79 degree, right? Next, let's look at B. B is here itself. So I'm moving the angle itself. Okay, doesn't matter. Kind of. It's almost there. A bit of turn. Minute turn actually. More. Yeah, and we are done. Right? Again, the same process, same line of thinking. That will not change. It would have been convenient if, yeah, this was not there and this is over here. Okay, same process. Check if the vertex and the center of the protractor are overlapping. Yes. Check if the arm and the 0 degree is overlapping. Yes. Check where the 0 degree is for you guys. It's on the inner circle, right? It's over here. So following that, we have 120 degree. It's exactly 120 degree. So B is 120 degree. Next, C. C is over here. I need to rotate first, so let me zoom out a bit. Trying to make it parallel. It's almost parallel. It's almost there. Yeah, we have it. This is a bit less than 60 degree for me. For you guys, it might be 60 degree itself. Again, same verification. I know we have the answer, but I want you guys to get used to this idea. So I'll have to do it as many times as it takes. Same process. Is the center and the vertex and the center of the protractor overlapping? Yes. Are the arm and the 0 degree line overlapping? Yes. And where is the 0? It's on the inner circle. And this turns out to be 60 degree, right? So this to C is 60 degree. That's our C. Then we have to go to D. This clearly is some value. Actually, I should not be telling you guys that. Can you guys figure this out? Check if everything is right. Can you pause and think over? I've done quite a few. First step, what is the first step? Check the centers if they are overlapping with the vertex. Center of the protractor and the vertex, are they overlapping? Clearly it's an S. And is the arm and the 0 degree? Remember, 0 degree can be on the outer circle also. So yes, we have an S over here as well. So since it's on the outer circle, we are following that path and we ended up with 130 degree. So D is 130 degree. Next is E. First thing first, let's rotate the protractor. And we have I think it's supposed to be 130 degree, but I'm getting some other value. Again, can you guys pause and measure this? Can you see what's the answer? I hope you guys are doing all of this, not just watching. It won't help. Don't sit and watch. Be proactive. Okay, it's a big... I need to do this. Okay, let me do this itself. Right, are the centers overlapping? Yes. Is the arm on the 0 degree? Yes. Where is the 0 degree? On the outer circle. So I'm following the outer circle. I'm ending up almost 130, but this measure is how much? 131 degree, right? Wrong. It is 129. See, 130 has not been passed. It's before 130. So 120 is over here. 120 is over here. 125 is over here. And this is 129 degree. With your books, it might be 130 degree, but anyways, it's a good practice. So this is 129 degree. Again, it might be one or two value here and there. So that you guys can adjust. Finally, where do we have this angle? F. So let me rotate this. I think this would fit. Bit more. And we almost have it. Yeah. So centers overlapping, yes. Vertex and the center overlapping, yes. Arm overlapping, yes. And the 0 degree is on the inner circle. So can you measure the angle? It is the final arm is around 60 and 61. I'll go with 60 degree. And that's our answer.